Passing.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. What is your favorite part of the day?
That day. That day.
This day?
Yeah.
Do you like every day?
Yeah. Whole day.
All the days. Okay. Do you love your family?
Yeah.
Do you love Emily
Yeah.
and Mommy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yep.
Adam?
Yep.
You love them all?
Uh-huh. And my cover.
How much do you love your family?
Oh.
That much?
Yeah.
Do you like going to school?
Yeah.
Do you like your teacher?
Yeah.
Who's your teacher?
Sabo, Kui, Beha.
You met her?
Emily.
Why do you like your teacher?
Electrical.
Because you love her?
Yeah.
Is she nice?
Happy?
You're always happy?
Yeah.
What makes you happy?
Good.
School? Camp?
A poo.
What else makes you happy?
Poo.
Your friends? Do you like to sing?
Yeah.
To draw?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to draw?
That Cuba.
A school bus?
Yeah. And my two, that.
Two of them?
I know, I know that. Okay.
Okay.
Come
What
on.
do you love most in the whole wide world?
Oh,
The whole world.
how? Here.
Oh, here? Okay. Why do you like here? You love me? You like the doggies?
Yeah, and mom.
And my mom?
Yeah. Emily.
What is your favorite toy to play with?
Two.
Toy.
Dad, okay?
Patty cake?
Yeah.
Me too. Oh, music. What's your favorite song?
Party.
Pat. I like that song too.
Me too. Bye.
Say thank you for listening to me.
Take this on